Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can open the Microsoft Word in Windows 10. So here, I'm already on my desktop in Windows 10 and there are so many ways if you want to open the Microsoft Word. The first way that you can do is click on this Windows or this Start button and then just explore in here. Scroll down until you find the Word apps or software. This one you can just open. You can just double click on it to open the Microsoft Word. Now you can just choose whether you want to create a new blank document or you can also use template. On here you can also open an existing file. So that's the first way, and the second way is you can just use this search bar at the bottom. Type in here, just type in Word, for example, and you'll see the app. You can just double click again to open it. Or to make it easier, you can also pin the Word to your taskbar or your desktop in here. You can just double click, and then here you can pin to taskbar. So go to more and click on pin to taskbar and it will be shown in here. So if you want to open the Word again, you can just click on this. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.